Breaking tonight, the Nebraska Crime Commission executive director tells us the complaint against a former police officer involved in a deadly shooting is now dismissed. This means Adam Vail would be eligible to work in law enforcement again.
But he is still waiting to go to arbitration from getting fired at the Omaha Police Department. He appealed that decision. No arbitration date has been set. The case could also return to the State Crime Commission once a decision is reached in arbitration. Now, Vail currently works as a civilian security officer in the Douglas County Courthouse. He was fired from the police department after Police Chief Todd Schmatter said Vail violated department protocol last year when he shot and killed 37-year-old Cameron Ford while serving a no-knock warrant. At the time, police revealed Ford was unarmed. Vail said Ford charged at him.